Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and click that like button. Today I want to show you how I make this delicious honey garlic chicken stir fry. It is very delicious. You don't want to miss out on making this. It is perfect for any occasion and that sauce is just yummy. If you want to learn how to make this, stay tuned and I will show you how. Here I have 4 small chicken breasts cut into small squares. I will be using a broccoli medley. That one has cauliflower and this one just has carrots and broccoli. It's your choice. You will also be needing some chicken broth. I'll be using almost all of that. I will be using the whole bottle of honey and the whole bottle of soy sauce. And we'll be needing some minced garlic, some cornstarch to thicken the sauce, and salt and pepper. To begin with, I like to cook in olive oil. You can use whatever oil you like. I'm going to add it to my pan. And what I'm doing here is breaking up my veggies. You can leave them whole if you like, but this is easier for my kids. And now once I did that, I'm going to cook this on medium until the veggies soften. This could take between 5 to 10 minutes. Once that's done, I'm removing it and just placing it in a bowl. And what I'm going to do is clean out the pan with the paper towel. And we're going to start cooking our chicken. I'm adding my chicken in. And I'll be seasoning it with some salt and pepper. And now, still keeping the flame on medium, I'm going to cook the chicken until it has browned. And I'll be adding in some garlic. I'm doing a tablespoon. You can add more or less if you like. And I'll continue to cook this for about 30 seconds. After that, I'm tossing in the veggies that were already cooked. And I'm going to cook this for about 5 minutes. And here what I'm doing, I'm whisking the broth, the honey, and the soy sauce. So you want to put that together, whisk it, and add it to the pan. And maybe just cook this for about another 5 minutes. And what I'm going to do is add some cornstarch and water together, mix it. I don't have measurements on this, so just add, I'm thinking about, I think I added 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and then just enough water, and add it to my pan. And I'm going to cook this not too long, because right away you will see that the water, that sauce starts to thicken. And once you see it thicken, you want to just turn off the flame, and it is done. Don't forget to leave a comment, share my video, and we will see you next time. See how delicious that is? Serve it up with some white rice. Thank you all for watching. Bye.